Today, we're going to show you how to master the art of upselling. Whether you're a salesperson, a business owner, or just want to improve your persuasion skills, upselling is an essential tool in your arsenal. So let's dive right in. Upselling is about offering your customers additional products or services that complement their original purchase. But it's important to remember, upselling should always add value and enhance the customer experience. Let's look at the steps you can take to become an upselling pro. Step 1. Understand your customer's needs. Take the time to listen and understand what your customer is looking for. By knowing their preferences, you can confidently recommend products or services that meet their specific needs. Step 2. Suggest relevant upgrades. Once you understand their needs, suggest relevant upgrades that go hand in hand with their original purchase. Highlight the value and benefits these upgrades bring, emphasizing how they enhance the overall experience. Step 3. Offer incentives. Sometimes customers need a little extra nudge to make a purchasing decision. Offer incentives such as discounts, free buys, or limited time offers to persuade them to take advantage of your upsell. Everyone loves a good deal. Step 4. Provide social proof. People are more likely to follow recommendations if they see others benefiting from the same choices. Share customer testimonials or case studies that demonstrate how your upsell has made a difference for others. It builds trust and confidence in your suggestions. Step 5. Package deals. Everyone loves a complete package. Group together related products or services and offer them as a bundle. Not only does this create a sense of added value, but it also simplifies the decision-making process for the customer. Step 6. Seal the deal. Once your customer shows interest in the upsell, make it an easy and seamless process. Offer convenient payment options and provide any necessary information promptly. Make the upsell irresistible. By following these steps, you'll become an upselling master in no time. Remember, upselling is about enhancing the customer experience, so always prioritize their needs and preferences. Join our free 1-hour workshop to master the art of upselling. Link is in description below. Thanks for watching our video. If you found it helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy upselling.